come by charter flight. Right now the international airports are shut. So think हाडपाक already decision जाल्ले आहा, but guidelines येवंक ना. So everybody is waiting for guidelines. All the states, not only Goa wants to bring them, all the other states also wants to bring them. So everybody is waiting for MHA guidelines. Minute MHA guidelines come, every state is going to prepare their quarantine measures and bring them.
So May 3rd will be the day.
Important is MHA guidelines and quarantine. Because whoever we are bringing from abroad cannot be sent home. Home quarantine munakut जायना. Their home quarantine stamp has to be withdrawn for them. So they have to be compulsory quarantine in government facilities.
So this will be latest by May 3rd when the lockdown will be lifted.
According to me, May 3rd पयली हे जावचेच ना. And May 3rd न्यू गायडलायन्स येता पळय तेच्या वांगडा ही गायडलायन आसलेली जी तांकां हाडपाक स्पेशली चार्टर फ्लायट करून जे येवपाक सोदता तेंची कंपनी चार्टर फ्लायट करून तांकां धाडूंक सोदता. वेदर इट इज गोवा, मुंबय, Bangalore, all these airports they want to send. Chennai, these are where the seafarers and other people are working from this area. So ह्या फ्लायट देवले तशेंच तांकां चॅक केले COVID-19 whether positive or negative. Even if they are negative, they have to be home quarantine in government facility. And if they are positive in the COVID hospital, हे जावपाक जाय. So for that states have to prepare themselves. आमी कशें प्रिपरेशन चालू केल्लें, सगळीं हॉटेलां आमी लिस्ट केली. एंड चीफ मिनिस्टराक आमी सांगलें की इवन hotels जी आहा, जी धाकटे hotels तूं घेतलो सावथाक ओनर्स, we will talk to the owners and try to give them free. Whichever company is paying, let them pay. But we need to give them free. अशें ते आमचे गोंयकार भाव. We are bringing lot of revenue to the state also in terms of foreign exchange. तेंच्या अकाउंटान जेन्ना पयशे येता ते फॉरेन एक्सचेंजानसून येता. So we are receiving lot of foreign exchange to the state. So one side they have helped the economy of the state in way of employment, in way of foreign exchange. So today is the time we need to give them. So we have convinced the Honorable Chief Minister in the cabinet meeting that he needs to give free quarantine facilities to these seafarers who will be brought from international ports, whether they are in Miami, whether they are in Florida, whether they are in Italy or anywhere else.
There is one news
They have relaxed the lockdown. What I am saying is we have relaxed the lockdown. The liquor shops, which are retailers, not bar and restaurant. I am not talking about bar and restaurant. आता तूं इल्लोसो घेवपी आहा रातचो, तूं तुजे व्हर घरा आनी घे न्हू, कोंक ना कितें. In relaxed, not when the lockdown is strong.
buy from the retail stores. They should be allowed.
See, liquor shops all over Goa during the first period of the lockdown was required only because they would break the lockdown norms, they would create havoc. Bar and restaurant is shut, you cannot open that. But now in the relaxed norms of the lockdown, state government should consider or ask MHA guidelines that liquor shops which are within the this thing of like municipal limits, village panchayat limits should be kept open, not wholesale. I am not talking about giving it to some hotel and restaurant. Whoever wants to take his small quota and drink at home is welcome, not on the road. But that much relaxation should be given. This is not, I am not talking on tourism point of view. There are no tourists in there. Talk about the locals. ना आता कितें आहा, ह्या दिसांनी काजारांय आहा, लॉकडावनान काजारां आहा, weddings are there in lockdown. Now they will not have many people, but they will have 20, 25, 30 people in their house. So there is no liquor for them also. So there are small functions, there are small birthdays happening in the people's houses. So it is required. And not big quantity should be, like some instruction should go to the liquor shops that this much quantity you can only give.
So as a suggestion, you are not going to give the
I will give, I am giving everything in writing, not nothing. See, that we have passed the harsh phase of the lockdown. Now this is the second phase. So slowly when things are opening, this is also one thing. माझ्या खातीर म्हणना. I'm talking about there are people who want to have their peg in the evening and they buy that small quota only. So तितले तरी तांकां घेवनी म्हणून हे माझे request. There is no border. Trucks are not coming from outside the state. These are the sand which was extracted earlier, not in Parra.
Okay.
These are
meant for Parra Panchayat?
no. These are it is for Panchayat building work which is going on, tile fixing. We had procured sand, but we have not extracted sand. This is what stocks were there. We have purchased and we brought. There is nothing wrong in that. Today, all people want to repair their houses. From where you are going to bring stones, khadi? If you do not relax, so the state government, we have informed the state government to relax because MHA guidelines say you can transport all the building materials also. So if you see on the main road, you can see trucks flying with khadi, stones, steel, cement, etc. So this is required. Because Michael Lobo is bringing, it is not for Michael Lobo. It is for general public. Whatever I have brought, it is for people. So a lot of allegations have come on me, but I am not scared. People know what I have done.